Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to create mind maps and flowcharts in Miro in 2025. With the new AI tools, you can generate mind maps instantly and then design flowcharts to map out your processes. Step 1. Open your Miro board. On the left toolbar, click Create with AI. From the options, choose Mind Map. Step 2. Type in your main idea or topic, like project planning or marketing strategy, and let the AI generate a complete mind map for you with branches already structured. Step 3. Customize your mind map by adding or removing branches, changing colors, and adjusting fonts so it matches your style or project needs. Step 4. Now let's create a flowchart. Go back to the toolbar and select Shapes. Choose rectangles, diamonds, or circles for your flowchart design. Step 5. Connect the shapes using arrows or connector lines by dragging from the small blue dots on each shape. Add text to describe the actions or choices. Step 6. Combine AI-generated mind maps and manual flowcharts on the same board for brainstorming and structured workflows. And that's it. That's how you create mind maps and flowcharts in Miro in 2025. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.